Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your fonts larger or smaller than what your default settings allow you to. Okay, so I'm going to get right to it. And as you can see, I'm using an Android phone. This is it's an Infinix device, and I believe you can actually do this on any Android phone. Okay, so first of all, you this is just to show you that I'm actually using the latest version. Sorry about that. The latest version of Android 9, and there you go. So okay, so first of all, we're not gonna just be using the normal settings that the system allows you to. Of course, you can make your phone smaller or larger, and but again, that's only limited to you know how the system allows you to. So this is the way that most people use, or rather, are forced to go by. These are the sizes that you can go by. Okay, but I am going to show you a way that you can actually make them look even smaller or larger than what the system allows you to. Okay, so let's get down to it. So first of all, you have to have the developers option. Okay, so if you don't have this option in your settings or in your system, first of all you have to go to your system of your phone, and to enable this you have to go to about phone, as you can see right here, and you have to hit on your build number several times, about 7 times, and then it's going to show you that you have become a developer. So right on the developers option, they give you this like experimental, or rather better ways to customize your phone. You have permissions. You can override things that the system doesn't want you to override, and but today we're going to just focus on that. So this is where you want to be. Okay, the drawing. This is, you can see right here, it's the drawing segment right there, and you're gonna change this to whatever digit you want. Like, let's take for instance, mine are big. I can go to as big as well, again, maybe a spoiler. It's actually also limited to the screen size and everything. So mine can actually go to, like, let's say for instance I type in 200. Okay, you're gonna realize that it's not gonna be 200. It's only going to go to about 320 right here, as you can see. Okay, this is what you get. This is as low as the system allows me to go. And if you've noticed, my font has actually become bigger. All right, so we're gonna change this again. We're gonna go to let's take for instance 400. That's my favorite. That's actually as far as my site can go. And there you go, it's actually smaller than the previously. And as you can see, it's gone to 399. But what's weird is I can actually take this to actually 500. Let's see how that turns out. Whoa, there you go. As you can see, even my sort of like notch and like notch and display thing is actually weirding out up there at the corners, as you can see that. So right now my font is extremely small. Let's see if we can go smaller than that. Let's try 600. And oh yeah, look at that, it's actually even smaller now. That's weird. I can barely see a thing in there. Wow. So let's check this out. Let's see if how. Whoa, you can definitely see that the fonts are a little bit, smaller. And this way, I actually have bigger, screen ratio to the content in it. And I'm just gonna go to my display right here, and I'm gonna switch off this notch, and I'm gonna see how that looks like. Oh, look, I can't even tell the battery life of that because it's just gone. It's too small. And as you can see my font here, I can actually change that back to, well, not exactly everything, but the words or the text is as far as I can change it. So I think basically that's it, guys. It's very simple. So I'm just gonna take it back to my normal, uh, 400, because I can barely see anything. So again, guys, it's very simple. I believe I've actually seen Huawei phones having this out there, but I'm not sure what phone you'll be using, but I believe that it's gonna work for you. It's gonna work for you. And there we go. I can actually now see everything. And thanks, guys. Thanks.